I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and creating the project now. Install Android Studio and JDK 11, then set the Android Home Environment variable. Make sure your device has USB debugging enabled. Once done, open Android Studio and choose New Project, pick Empty Activity, select Kotlin or Java, and give a clear package name and minimum SDK. You should immediately see Gradle syncing. Resolve any immediate SDK or plugin prompts so you can proceed to coding without delays. Now you construct the user interface and app logic while keeping things organized. If using XML, edit res/layout with constraint layout and use the layout inspector. If using Compose, build composables and preview them. Next, implement activity or fragment code, connect view bindings or synthetic references, and set up navigation components for screen flow. Add required permissions to Android Manifest and include libraries in build. Gradle. Make sure to run frequent local builds to catch runtime errors and iterate quickly for stable progress. Finish by testing thoroughly and producing a release artifact you can distribute. Run the app on emulator and a real device, inspect Logcat for errors, and profile CPU and memory. Once stable, create a signed APK or AAB. Configure a key store, set version code /version name, and build a release. Deploy to Google Play or distribute via ADB for internal testing. If something breaks, key troubleshooting tip. Check Logcat for stack traces and Gradle console for sync errors. Addresses most build and runtime issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.